Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. 2 eggs. Beat the eggs, well. To zucchini. I grated the zucchini beautifully. I put it in a deep bowl. One potato. I also grated potatoes. My video. Be very happy if you write which country you are watching from. This makes me very excited. I put the potatoes in the bowl. 1 onion. I also grate the onion well. Add the onion. 1 green pepper. I cut the green pepper finely. Add the green pepper. 1 pinch of parsley. I also chopped the parsley finely, and I added the parsley. 2 heaping tablespoons of flour. Spices, paprika. I added black pepper, salt, and red pepper powder. Add the scrambled egg. And I mix it nicely. I'm very curious about your comments about my recipes. Please, I would appreciate if you write your ideas in the comment section. I put the pan on the stove. Oil with the plant. With the help of a spoon, I put the dough I prepared into the pan. Definitely try this recipe. Incredibly delicious and easy recipe. I fried both sides well. I fried it. I put it on the paper towel. For the sauce, some strained yogurt, 1 clove of garlic, some water, mixing it nicely. Some dry mint. Confusing again. The sauce is ready. Exquisite. Dinner is ready. Ister kvaltia. You can prepare stir for dinner. Looks very appetizing, doesn't it? Please, in the comments, I would appreciate if you write me about the recipe. I highly value your ideas. My favorite moment, time to taste it. You guys must try it too. Taste this delicious recipe. Those who watched the video so far, I would be very happy if he wrote me a comment. Bon appetit to those who will try. Thank you very, very much for watching. See you in the next video.